Okay, you're going to think I've gone completely insane what I'm about to have you do. It's going to sound really stupid. Now, don't write this down, but you know how there's some equations where I see there's two answers? Two answers means it's called a quadratic equation. Okay? Quadratic equation. It's what it's known as when there are two solutions, x to the second. Now, there is a formula that can find the two answers every time. You've never used it before. First, you got to know it, though. And there's a song that helps you remember it, okay? Because you know how a quadratic formula is. You get x squared x and a number ABC, Here's the formula. It can be made into a song. Opposite of B, opposite of B. By the way, it means op B. Opposite of B, plus or minus the square root, B squared minus 4AC, B squared minus 4AC over 2A, over 2A. 2A means 2 times A. Might want to know that. Okay, again, I'm going to sing it 3 times. Opposite of B, plus or minus the square root, B squared minus 4AC, B squared minus 4AC over 2A, over 2A. Again, opposite of B, plus or minus the square root, B squared minus 4AC, B squared minus 4AC over 2A, over 2A. Now, this is going to sound like a completely insane, but you'll be happy we did it. Just trust me on this. We've got this far, okay, as a team. I want you to practice writing that formula out, okay? Opposite of B, plus or minus the square root, B squared minus 4AC. Now, one thing though, okay? Sorry, you have that already, okay? You will want to make 2 parentheses at the beginning, okay? B squared minus 4AC, B squared. Squared means a second power, okay? That's what that means. Squared means second power. So when I say B squared minus 4AC, that means B to the second power, but it doesn't go in the song as smooth as squared does. B squared minus 4AC, B squared minus 4AC minus 4AC. Get the parentheses where they go. Over 2A, over 2A. Okay, I'm going to do it again. Opposite of B, plus or minus the square root, B squared, remember 2 parentheses at the beginning, B squared minus 4AC, now squared means second power, that's what it means, minus 4AC over 2A, over 2A. Opposite of B, plus or minus the square root, B squared, squared means second power, minus 4AC, B squared minus 4AC over 2A, over 2A. Okay? Opposite of B, plus or minus the square root, B squared minus 4AC. Squared means second power. So if you're wondering what that means, because I'm not very good with terminology. Over 2A, over 2A. Now, turn this paper over and fill all the squares up with that formula. I know that sounds stupid. I just want you to practice writing it. Fill up all 8 squares with the formula.